Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, Nissan Altima 2018. Front signal is not working. After we open it, we found out we have a problem here. You see this? It's burned completely. This one is good. I don't know if it's burned. Something happened to it. It's no good. So the signal is not working. We found that. C'est dans le bureau là-bas. C'est un clé normal quoi. Demandez-lui, te donne ça. Okay, so we put a brand new one behind the cluster, and now we have to use our console 3 plus to configure it. That means if you have a body control module, either you have to configure it manually. Sometimes it's possible. If you cannot, you have to configure manually. You have to do your best to get it how it's work. If it's not, you can read the old information. You can read it from the old computer and write it back into the PC. Why? Because right now, pushing the brake, you see the car doesn't want to start. You cannot see the configuration. Is this manual transmission or regular transmission? It doesn't want to work. So you're gonna come in programming. You're gonna go programming on configuration. Then you click first page. You click next page here, and then Nissan Altima 2018, and then you're gonna wait. When this become dark gray, yeah, selectable. Now here is the car 2018. Confirm. It takes some time. Everything gonna work in the car except I don't know the interior light is working or not. Let me see. Let me open. No interior light working. Nothing, you see. Maybe because it's empty. Computer wanna know what kind of software have to be written on it. So I am waiting for okay, confirm. You see this is the configuration, vehicle configuration, sedan. This is the VIN number. If you notice there, just confirm. When you say confirm, you will write down. You see here. You see, key fob, lock, unlock, trunk, intelligent key full, buzzer, okay. Now you're gonna write this. You hear now? Hazard lights start working. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna turn the key off. With the brake. Car is stopped. Now I have one problem to check now. Tire pressure. and checking your light. Thank you for watching. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. We already finished what we do. We're gonna go to the next level.